And Shorty got a melody in my head. You seen that video online recently? It's so funny. And the golf cart. Oh, it's so crazy. Golf cart is to be essential for anything in this world. Making things easier, even if you live in a neighborhood. And yeah. We got a delivery, special delivery. I think these spindles, some little drop spindles. This, I believe, are the chopping block control arms. We got some, I'm guessing these are the shocks. New shocks. And I don't know what this is. This might be some mounting plates for the bags. On the top. Yeah. Shout out to Switch Suspension. I hit them up because they've got a drop van and just asked them some questions. I pretty much believe anything anybody tells me, so I basically just got all the stuff they told me to, at least for the front. I mean, we're doing the crossmember, but these are the little things that we need. I'm still gonna have to need a shock extender, but hey, this is a start. So we got some good stuff. Got some more bags from them coming on the way, so catch me outside. We are outside. We ain't at LST no more because guess what? It's not freezing here. And you know what? It's 70 degrees in Texas today. That's how it would be. But it's 62, and guess what else? Yeah. Guess what else? Guess what else? Freedom. Freedom. Guess what else? Freedom. Thanks for joining. Yeah, we're out here. Might as well just a little. Ooh. Again, we don't have that much property, but I don't have any property. I just live in the basement. You know what's up? But I'm a good mooch. But this golf cart is very important. Oh, I see Pappy in the garage. Oh yeah, Pappy sold the old engine this week. Yeah, that's good. Car in there. Oh, Ugly's just sitting outside trying to get my battery right. It's been wintertime. It's laying real low. You want to know what's really stupid? Is I've literally just did whatever I'm about to do now. I've already done it twice, and I forgot to turn on my microphone. But you know what? Sometimes in life, you gotta dust off the dirt and start over. We're outside. It's a beautiful day. It's 70-ish here in Maryland. LST last week, very cold. Go watch that video. It was an experience. I'm kind of bitter about the whole thing. It's a long trip. It was okay, not great, whatever. Life goes on. But anyways, hey, we're out in the garage, and you know, sometimes it's hard for me to get out here. I usually get off work at 2 o'clock each day for a lot of the other stuff that we built. So then I would be able to come home, take a little nippy nap, and then when I come out here for a few hours, and it's fine. I still had time to chill before doing it all over again the next day. But now I never know when I'm getting off work. It can be 5, 6, 4:30, whatever. But sometimes, more recently, it's been dark. So I'm glad to see that the sun's coming out, giving me a little bit more energy. Sometimes you just don't feel like doing it. So when I come home late, I ain't coming out here. I'm gonna watch Love is Blind. So, yeah, we got some new parts. We're out here. We're gonna start picking up this thing a little bit. We're gonna try to get this front cross member kind of figured out a little bit more. There's so much stuff that goes into this. Not only is the front cross member, but we gotta put power steering in it. And then just moving this transmission back a little bit. And then moving this drive shaft, making that. I'm thinking about maybe doing a double drive shaft thing so I can have just the most part of it going straight, not have to worry about messing with the floor. I don't know, I got ideas. Let's see what we bought. Hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a good life. Thanks for being a subscriber, because you know what? We're going viral. As viral as we can go. Okay, let's see what's in box number 1. And what I'm looking at in this box, y'all, I know I'm feeling a little husky these days. I'm working on it. I haven't had sugar for a few days, so when I'm in that office at work, I'm just snacking. This is the first box from Switch. This thing is kind of sharp, but also not really. Just want to see what's up. I just want to see what's up. Uh-oh. Damn. That's staples. Cut. Cut. I'll be right back. All right. Yeah, we're back. We got some tools now. Y'all, I got this thing stuck on my head more recently, starting last year. And I'll let you guys into my little life a little bit. I started going line dancing. Yeah, surprise, surprise. I got lots of hobbies. I go line dancing. I go roller skating. I'll do some art. I sing some songs. This thing is wild. But I got this song stuck in my head. I think the dance is called Make It Crazy. I don't know the dance, but yeah, sometimes in life you gotta mix it up a little bit. Dang, Switch got me on. I got Fort Knox right here holding this boy down. Hey, I appreciate the quality. That's another thing. I've been seeing some companies online that are building, holy moly, that are building really cool quality stuff, and I'm obsessed with that. I don't care what it is. I'm like loyal to, when I like something, I'm loyal as can be. Gosh, I'm gonna be loyal to them. I got 45 staples in this thing. I'll probably open it from the wrong side. But yeah, create something cool, because that is the bomb. I only create failed things, but like Broken Bolts is about to go get an IPO, and we're about to sell out. We're about to sell out. Hit me up. I got shirts. I got some long tees. Oh my gosh, Switch. Come on. What the heck? What the heck? Sorry guys. I didn't realize I was breaking into a bank. They got this thing. They got this thing. Switch. Saw them dudes out at LST. The tent almost flew away. I should have brought my airbags here, but I was moving and shaking. Oh my gosh. See all these? Holy gosh. Come on. Sorry boys. Ladies. Any ladies out there? I'm single. I'm single and lonely. I got really cool cars. Y'all wanna ride shotgun? Hit me up. Oh my gosh. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 staples so far. I thought this was gonna be a real, just simple, hey, look at this, it's cute. This is already worked out today. Oh, there we go. There we go. Hey, we got there. Maybe. I appreciate the quality, but have mercy on my soul. All right. I wasn't sure what was in this box, but we've got some goodies. Real important, I got these cool plates that I'm going to, these will be for the top bags. So that's pretty sweet. Those should just, I don't know if they bolt in or weld in. We'll find out, okay? Leave me get off my back. See, what I was just talking about, I love when something's just made right. This thing, this little plate that bolts up in here, that's awesome. It might bolt in. I don't know if it welds in or bolt in. Maybe we'll weld it in because it's like literally a perfect fit. So that'll be perfect. Back will go up against that boy and we'll be in business. Looks pretty good, looks pretty good. I like when good things come out. Okay, what else did we get? So those are cool. Paper. Gotta watch out, sometimes you got some goods up in here. Put it in these seats. I can't wait to do these seats. I can't wait to do the whole interior. I just have really cool ideas, I think. And you know, that's half the battle for me, or half the fun for me, is I just like coming up with ideas and then trying to find ways to execute them. So yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. We got a lot of cool ideas for the interior. You know what I'm saying? Here's the hardware, so I guess that those things bolt right in, which is very cool. Just gotta drill it in and put them up there. I don't know, we might weld them. It's already there. It might be easier just than doing that. But Guess I'll have to paint them. Would have been cool. Would have been cool if they were powder coated, but you know, coders can't be choosers. Actually, I'm gonna be painting this boy real nice. So, hey, I don't censor. Okie dokie. Okay. Honestly, when it came to shocks, I had no clue what I was buying, and again, I just trust people that I think do things well. If they tell me something, I just listen. I got these shocks. I don't really know much about them. I didn't even think about it that much. Hopefully they work, because I'm going to be putting it on bags, but they're Beltec shocks, so they're probably pretty solid. They look good. They look cute. They look hot. I mean, we're going to be rolling nice, but they look awesome. Hey. Quality stuff. That is a thing. Sometimes I see people, and you know, we all don't live the same lives, and that's okay, but I do believe in buying quality stuff, because sometimes this stuff just doesn't work out. I don't know if you're anything like me, but I do anything in this world to not have headaches. I don't care if it's just like, if you're not a good plumber, or you have no interest in plumbing, or want to do that, I'm hiring someone really good to do it, and I don't have to think about it. This is basically Jenny Jones. I had a crush on Jenny Jones back in the day, watching that talk show. If you know anything about that, you can know how old I am. This box is from Chopping Block, so we'll see what's in here. It didn't seem like there's not that many companies that make a control arm that goes onto a stop cross member. These are ones that they're 1 inch narrowed, and I think it's 1 inch forward. Or 1 inch back, I don't know. But then I saw on like a forum, I don't know when I saw it, but it was like, hey, if you move the thing 1 inch, your controlling gets a little better. I could be making that up. You never know. I told you, I don't know anything about nothing. But let's see what we got here. We only had 4 staples this time. More paper. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate a lot of things. Oh yeah, baby. So we got ourselves a nice upper arm. That looks awesome. It's gonna be nice, because this one's gonna go, the bag's gonna be like right there. Actually, this is gonna be above the bag, so it's gonna be dope. Should bolt in, hopefully, right on there. And I'm not sure which side this is. Looks like it's probably the passenger side, but hey, we got some good stuff. My dad's gonna start bolting this stuff on, I won't even know. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. I think this is right. I've actually, yeah, well, in a different fashion, but they look like these things are, if you're building a van, I got a G10. This is the G10 cross member. Oh, this is actually the driver's side. So, whoopsie, I forgot I was turned around. But yeah, bolts go right in. That's nice. That's real nice. That's real cute. All right. Okay, last box. Let's see. Let's see how many staples I got in this bad boy. Oh yeah. You can hear my Pauly D influence. Yeah, I'm watching some Jersey Shore. I got my guilty pleasure, and I ain't even guilty. Okay. Assuming lower arms. You ever like opening a box, it makes you think that you accomplished something? Like I get getting parts, just like, oh yeah, it's like a check mark. So, but I was really trying to see if when I got these arms, is if they came with any kind of mounting hardware, because my stuff's all old. So before I buy any of that stuff, I wanted to check that out. Oh, Bertha! Dang. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. Dang, that is a big boy. You see, we've got the little bag slot. Now, anybody that's watching this, because I promote this out for people that are building vans, because there's not many videos out there of people building vans and what you need. This is a C10 chopping block, you know, bottom arm. It's got the hole in it for the bag. Very easy. I know there's lots of kits out there you can weld in things. Even I think on the first suspension that we put on the C10, we had the bag cups. You can do it like that, but I think that the arms end up hitting closer than we want, so I'm hoping that that's not a problem with these. Yeah. Although, I'm hoping not. Where they mount, I think that, okay. You know, it's just math. We cut so much off that cross member, I'm like, oh, I wonder where the arms will hit. Okay, we'll be good. We'll go low enough. We'll go low, but this is cool. The other one's in there. I'll search for hardware. Very cool stuff. And again, yes, this stuff isn't always the cheapest stuff to buy, but again, I buy stuff for peace of mind. Like, the cross member is crazy, so that's fine. But buying this stuff, buying other cross members, buying the cross member for the C10, buying it for the box fan that we have, like, just so much easier. And yes, it's not the cheapest, but it's quality. It works well. It does what it's supposed to. So that's kind of where I put my value into buying certain things. Make some stuff, build some stuff. Yeah. Where did you go, 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 my lovely? Do, 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 do. We got some packages, more packages. This is the worst part about this stuff is you gotta get a package a week. And you know what packages? Money. It just costs money. All these little things. There's gonna be so many little things, especially this front suspension. Yeah, this thing's been pancakes, but you gotta buy this, that, nuts, bolts, screws, fittings, blah, blee, blue, blah. But we're gonna do it. We're already stuck. Let's rob a bank. I got some other little gifts this week. We got that sweet patina, this blackout stuff. I used this on the Volkswagen a good amount on the floors. I used it on the control arms that I have for that, whatever you want to call them. And it just creates like a little, I feel like a thicker barrier. So I like to use that on stuff. And then I got some Get Gone degreaser. Never used this stuff before. I've got some grease around, you know, if you've seen the beginning of the videos, all the oil, all the grease and stuff that's already on this car. So we're gonna try to use this and just see how it works. And that's what we're at. And then we got this other big box. So let's have a little gander. Let's get this stuff out of my way. So we got another box. Another box from Switch. I really should have bought this when I was at LST because it was sitting right there and I just didn't think of it when I was running around. Well, I did, I just didn't do it. I should have done some wheeling and dealing, but probably shouldn't be using this, but oh yeah, the freaking staples. Easier box this time. How are you? What's up? What y'all working on? Drop it in the comment section. Leave a like, subscribe. We got like 14 subscribers. I already know what's in this thing. We got the 4 2600 bags. I got a 4-pack, you know, front, back, side to side. I haven't even thought about the back. I've got some ideas, so it'll be interesting, but yeah, 4 bags. They gave us a sticker. Cool. That's our round for what's in the box today.